Lyft driver accounts usually get deactivated because of background check updates, low driver ratings, repeated cancellations, or policy flags triggered by customer reports or app activity patterns. By the end, you'll know exactly why Lyft deactivates driver accounts, how to check the real reason, and the steps that actually give you a chance to get reinstated. Start with what matters most. Lyft doesn't always explain deactivations in detail inside the app. Most drivers only see a message saying their account is no longer active or under review. The real reason is usually sent by email, not the app screen. So the first step is checking your email connected to your Lyft account. Look for messages mentioning deactivation, account review, or background check update. That message determines your next move. Now break down the most common reasons. One major cause is background check updates. Lyft regularly reruns checks, and any new flag or mismatch can pause your account automatically until it is resolved. Another cause is driver performance metrics. Low ratings, high cancellation rates, or frequent ride issues can trigger automated system reviews that lead to deactivation. Customer reports also matter. Safety complaints or repeated negative feedback are reviewed by Lyft's system and can lead to immediate suspension while they investigate. Now here's what actually helps fix it. Open the Lyft driver app and go to the Help section. Look for Can't Access My Account or Account Deactivated. This is where Lyft routes appeal requests. If the issue is document-related, like insurance or license verification, re-upload clear and current documents. Make sure everything matches exactly, including name, spelling, and expiration dates. If the issue is performance-related, you'll need to submit an appeal. Keep it simple and factual. Explain what happened, confirm your commitment to policy compliance, and request a manual review. Avoid creating a new account. Lyft systems can detect duplicate accounts and may block both accounts permanently, which makes recovery harder. Some deactivations are reversible, especially those tied to documents or verification issues. Others tied to repeated policy violations may take longer or may not be reinstated. Now the key takeaway. Lyft deactivation is usually automatic, based on background checks, performance metrics, or customer reports. Fixing it depends on finding the exact reason in email, updating documents if needed, and submitting a clear appeal through the app. Next step is simple. Check your email first, then open the Lyft Help section and start the appeal process immediately if you see a deactivation notice. If you want more Lyft driver fixes explained clearly without confusion, subscribe for quick guides that help you get back on the road faster.